Hey everyone, just catching up a video of a race I did this past weekend. I know it's Thursday already, and I said I was going to do a follow-up video. It's been a couple days. I'm really sorry. It's just typically always just so busy when you come back from a race weekend. You're physically blown, and then you got to do all this cleanup and kind of get back to work on Monday. Anyway, but I really want to do a video, make sure to just get this off my chest because how excited I was, or I still am about this past weekend. And those me, I'm kind of rarely pretty hard on myself, and I'm really proud of myself. But I am kind of generally this time. Just TLDR. I think I started. Let's see, where did I start? I started the race in 14th. Like I said, the first two heat races, I just aimed to maintain my spot. I qualified somewhere in 15th. I just kind of maintain that where I went when I am, because I know it's just it's a long Sunday, and only the last race matters. So I kind of just I was aggressive, but I was also make sure I was smart, keeping my nose clean. So sure enough, I kind of rewarded by the main. I get to start 14th, and I don't think I actually started 14th. There's a bit of a mess up on the grid. I don't think I actually started on a rolling start behind the person I was supposed to. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It kind of taking the same strategy as the first two heat races, making sure that I keep my nose clean, but I kind of really dialed up a little bit of the aggression because I knew it was the last race of the day, and plus, and on top of that, I was tired and everything. And TLDR is somehow I came back in ninth, from 14th to ninth. I'm just kind of super excited. This feels like a minority getting a point, like in Formula One. Ninth is probably the last two position you get a point in Formula One. I'm just super excited considering it's my third race in this championship of this year. The first race, David and I got lapped. The second race, we still finished the last two, and especially the first two races, we were just physically destroyed, probably even before the main. And this time, I'm not, and just everything. I'm just so proud of myself, not just on Sunday, but all the preparation the last 2 weeks I did up to the race, because 2 weeks before this race on Sunday, I did a test day at the same track with the same configuration, and given the new configuration has a lot of corners, I was destroyed. I did 5-6 sessions in that day, and the last session I had to stop because I couldn't, my neck couldn't hold my helmet in my head anymore. It was getting not to be not safe. So I really, in the last 2 weeks, I really focused on core, in the gym, working on my core. So thanks to Peloton, the Crush My Core course with Emma Lovewell. So thank you very much for that. Also just there's always something. I'm out on the Peloton or in lifting weights every other day. It really paid off. Sure enough, I was tired in the main, but I was not burnt out. This is the first race I was not burnt out. I was tired by 18 lap race. I was kind of tired by lap 12, and I was kind of like, it's getting there. And by lap 16, on my dash it'll show 18 because it counts the out laps. I was like, please, let's finish this because I don't know if I can hold on anymore. But that was actually lap 16 out of 18, and I hanged on 2 more laps, which is extremely critical because I had a feeling that some people, there were like someone behind me. I think maybe only 2 or 3 tenths behind me, 1 or 2 car length. And sure enough, they were there. I watched the live stream. They were there behind me for the entire race, and I'm kind of so proud of myself, able to kind of not make a mistake, hang on, not lose a position, and continue to drive in the train, and just pick up position as people fall off the road as they make mistake in their battle. So I'm just kind of super excited. Just to me, it really just kind of felt like I won a race. I'm just so excited from 14th to 9th, and most importantly, kind of overcoming my weaknesses or physical physical fitness, and then kind of mental lapse when I'm tired, that making mistakes, and I did not do that all Sunday. So I want to thank Sonny. I want to thank Gary, everybody at GFC, Will, my new mechanic that I'm working with this time. I just want to thank everybody. Thank Denise for being there with me for the entire weekend, kind of cleaning up after me and making sure I was fed. Shout out to David. I'm really sorry that what happened to you in the main. And let's just keep racing in 2 weeks time. Talk to you soon. Bye.